Introducing the 2021 Audi Q3 TDI, S-Line VORSPRUNG S-TRONIC, the epitome of luxury and performance. With only 38,000 miles on the clock, this beautiful black SUV is powered by a 2-litre engine, guaranteeing a smooth and powerful drive. Packed with top-notch features such as air conditioning, satellite navigation, leather interior, and 360-view camera, this vehicle is sure to impress. Safety is paramount with ABS, anti-collision system, lane departure warning, and so much more. Plus, enjoy the convenience of remote boot release, power boot close, and self-driving capabilities. Rest assured knowing this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call us or visit pixel.com for more details.